I've used the Sunseeker X7 robot lawn mower for a year, and it worked fine for me last summer. However, it had some issues when I took it out and set it up this spring. At first, something felt off during operation. The mower powered on normally and began its routine, but it struggled significantly when making turns. Instead of pivoting smoothly, it dragged awkwardly across the lawn, sometimes even tearing or damaging the grass underneath. After taking a closer look, I noticed that the rear wheel wasn't functioning as it should. While the wheel assembly itself could rotate, the actual wheel wasn't spinning properly. This meant the mower was unable to make a turn. It also can't climb up hills since the rear wheel doesn't give the X7 a boost. Fortunately, the mower was still under warranty, and after reaching out to their support, the service process turned out to be smooth. The support team arranged for the unit to be sent in for inspection and handled everything professionally from start to finish. After diagnosing the problem, they explained that the bearings inside the axle of the rear wheel had been damaged. This kind of internal wear isn't something you can easily spot without disassembly, but it has a major impact on performance. Rather than attempting a partial fix, they replaced the entire rear wheel assembly to ensure the issue was fully resolved. Even better, the repair and return shipping were completely free of charge under warranty. When the mower was sent back, it performed like new again. Overall, while the rear wheel issue was frustrating, the responsive and effective support from Sunseeker made a big difference. It's a reminder that reliable after-sales service is just as important as the product itself.